The Church of England's governing body is meeting and deciding on more than just matters of faith. FTSE 100 miner Vedanta is still reeling from the last get-together when the church decided it wasn't virtuous enough and sold its substantial stake. But does an ethical investment make a good one? Bloomberg's Elliott Gotkine reports.
It's a triumph of morals over money. Vedanta Resources, a British mining company with operations in India, fell foul of the Church of England's ethical investment policy. The company, whose shares more than tripled in the past year, says it's disappointed and that it's fully committed to respecting the environment and human rights. But that didn't wash with the church.
I went to see a couple of villages and there were problems there, and although Vedanta does have corporate social responsibility programs, I didn't see these benefiting the villages that I saw. And we're also concerned about the lack of consultation with the tribespeople who'll be affected by the mine development, and concerns have also been raised about that by the British government.
The Church of England, led by the Archbishop of Canterbury, Rowan Williams, sold the shares for almost £4 million. But that, says the Church, is beside the point. The Church of England's governing body, which is meeting here in central London this week, may not easily be able to agree on things like women bishops. But when it comes to investing, the Church is clear. It won't put its money into companies that it says don't reflect its values. But the issue isn't always cut and dried. Take South Africa under apartheid.
The debate was long and hard about whether remaining in South Africa to influence the agenda through the apartheid period was a good thing or a bad thing, and I would have to say that those banks that remained associated with South Africa do seem to have done a lot to have fomented the cause of the end of apartheid and to have assisted the transfer of power from the minority to the majority.
And ethical investments, or at least ones not deemed unethical, don't necessarily do well. The Church of England's asset portfolio has not been immune to recession. Its values dropped almost a fifth to some £4.7 billion. In one ill-timed gambit, £40 million was blown on a luxury New York apartment complex bought at the top of the market. No ethical reasons, just bad business. Elliott Gotkine, Bloomberg News.